Sometimes the mind feels crowded, thoughts pile up, decisions feel heavier than they should. And even though your body is here, your mind is pulled in 100 directions at once. But clarity isn't something you chase, it's something you create, it's something you allow. And today, through gentle movement and intentional breath, we're going to make space for it. This practice is designed to slow down the noise inside you, to help you see your thoughts with softness instead of strain, to guide you back to your center, the place where everything becomes clear again. So find a quiet spot, settle into your breath, and let's begin this journey toward clarity, ease, and inner light. 1. Mountain pose. Clarity begins the moment you learn to stand still. As you root your feet into the ground and lift your spine upward, something inside you also rises. A quiet reminder that strength and softness can exist together. Your breath becomes your lighthouse here, guiding your awareness back to the present moment. 2. Standing forward fold. When the world feels heavy, the simple act of bending forward can feel like releasing 1,000 unseen thoughts. As your head drops toward the earth, the noise in your mind gently untangles. Each exhale becomes a soft surrender, creating space for clarity to enter. 3. Half lift. Here you rise halfway, between the earth and the sky. It's a moment of perspective. With your spine long and your gaze steady, you learn what it feels like to meet your challenges without collapsing under them. Clarity begins with small lifts like this. 4. Warrior second. As you extend your arms wide and anchor your legs firmly, you step into your inner warrior, calm, aware, and unshaken. Your eyes fix on a single point ahead. Focus becomes your power. Distraction falls away like dust behind you. 5. Triangle pose. Stretching wide through your arms and opening the sides of your body reveals how spacious clarity can feel. This pose invites you to expand beyond your usual limits, creating length not just in your body, but in your perspective. You see more when you open more. 6. Tree pose. Balance demands presence, and presence is the doorway to clarity. As you root one foot down and place the other along your leg, notice how the mind quiets when the body seeks stillness. You become a tree, grounded, focused, unshaken, even when life's winds try to move you. 7. Seated twist. Twisting helps you wring out everything that no longer serves you. Old thoughts, mental fog, heavy emotions. With each turn of the spine, you create space inside your body and mind. Clarity grows wherever space is made. 8. Fish pose. As your chest opens toward the sky and your throat expands softly, a sense of light pours in through the heart space. Fish pose feels like lifting a curtain inside your mind, letting illumination replace heaviness. This gentle backbend clears emotional congestion and invites pure focused awareness to rise within you. 9. Child's pose. Here, in the quiet fold of your body, your thoughts soften. Child's pose reminds you that clarity doesn't come from effort. It comes from rest, from surrender, from choosing stillness when everything else asks you to rush. 10. Cobra pose. Lifting your chest gently from the ground feels like rising out of a long night. With your heart open and shoulders back, you create a path for new energy and insight to enter. Clarity often comes with openness. 11. Easy pose with breath awareness. Sitting tall, with your breath moving in smooth waves, you begin to observe your mind without judgment. You watch your thoughts pass, one by one, the way clouds drift across an open sky. Awareness sharpens. Peace unfolds. 12. Corpse pose. Finally, you rest. Every muscle melts into the ground. Every worry dissolves into the breath. In this stillness, clarity becomes effortless, a natural state beneath all the noise. Savasana reminds you that the answers you seek are always found in your quietest moments. As you rest here, notice how different your mind feels: lighter, quieter, more open. Every posture you moved through today wasn't just shaping your body, it was shaping your inner space. You released tension, you softened mental fog, and you created room for clarity to rise. Carry this calm awareness with you as you return to your day. Let your breath be your guide when life feels noisy. And remember, moments of clarity aren't rare, they simply need stillness to appear. If this practice helped you feel more grounded and centered, take a moment to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more gentle sessions like this. Thank you for sharing your energy here. Until next time, breathe deeply, move softly, and trust the clarity within you.